But just to swerve a bit, the big story coming out of the bubble for Chocomucho, obviously, the injury to Maddie, which is honestly a gut punch for me. Because I still remember writing about her first injury back
Yeah.
when you guys were in college. And that was in practice, I think, that she tore her ACL. For the players, for you guys who were there, I mean, if I'm just the one watching and sobrang na-stress na ako, I felt really bad for her. How big of an impact did that have at that, especially at that moment na naghahabol kayo, you're trying to push for a fifth set?
I think that was really the moment we all just broke down na. That was too much. Kasi we came from the 3 series from the semis that time, diba? And before that, sunod-sunod yung games. And even if it wasn't sunod-sunod, our last week, if you would remember, was Army, Creamline, Petro,
Sobrang
and then
bigat.
Cherry, and then semis.
Yeah.
So lahat mabibigat. It was a roller coaster of emotions, and we were so tired. And like I said, diba, game 3, we really gave everything, and we were so ubos. Coming into that game 1 of the bronze medal match, to be completely honest, it was so hard.
Yeah.
It was so hard to put up a fight. But you have to, because, pero kasi, yun nga diba? Wala pang 24 hours yung pagkabigo mo eh. Nawala yung chance mo at getting to your goal. Nawala sa'yo yun, and then, not even 24 hours, kailangan mo to put up a fight. It was hard. It was very hard. And then, that happened pa. And wala. We broke down. We all broke down after that. And everyone was just crying and nobody was talking. We all couldn't. That's why we really did make the decision. It's part of the decision that for the next game, hindi na kami sinugal. Kasi we said, maybe this is too much. It might not be worth it. So it was so tough. I mean, Maddie's my partner, as everyone knows. And I just, when we saw her fall and we saw her face, we knew. But you're in denial. We said, maybe because she's felt it before, and if something happens, she's a bit more affected. That was the only thing na giving us hope. But she also knew. She said right when she fell, she knew. And wala. We were all just at the side at that time. We didn't know what to do but cry. Like, when you're just crying, and everything's just, hindi mo alam kung ano nararamdaman, hindi mo alam kung ano iisipin. Hindi namin alam kung saan lulugar. We really didn't know. It was one of the toughest things to go through at that time, and we were so sad. Si Maddie pa kasi, she's part of the foundation of the team. So it's very hard not to, that moment, and then once you realize na you won't have her for a year. So, it was hassle.